Alright, a few little updates on Herman. I got a rear view mirror. It's a little spotty. It's gonna need some polishing, and I'm not gonna re-chrome it. I'll probably just fill it and paint and fix it. But got a rear view mirror from House of Ghia. The people I bought the Herman from, part of the Mocan Club, sent me a nice little 3D printed plate. Nice little card all about it. And then from CSP Products in Germany, they're one of the only places that had this plate that, or metal replacement panel that goes in the trunk behind the spare tire, because mine's pretty Swiss cheesed. Ordered it on Thursday, received it on Monday, and that is some heavy duty. This is like 16 gauge. That is just like, that is nice. Sent a nice little letter telling us all who packed it, thanking me, and the best, this free catalog. This catalog is awesome. Oh, that's cool too. It's got pictures of Ghias in it. It's got parts in it. So if you have to order custom metal parts, they have some really good stuff for bugs, Ghias. Get it fast. The duty taxes really weren't that bad. The prices, considering, especially when no one else has the parts. Oh, that's beautiful. Really good. Not bad. Great. Man, great shipping speed. Good customer service. I guess there's a car show in Germany. I can't read any of that. 2 years in high school of German, I still can't read any of it. Got a map of the show, all the sponsors. It's cool stuff. This was bought at a recent car show up in Kansas, I think. So, cool card, cool plaque, and I have a rear view mirror for Herman. House of Ghia. Great place. Guy's awesome.